Happy Tuesday, everyone. Welcome back to Chats with Chase. Here's your next tip. So what we're looking at here is a decorative corner from an old handmade picture frame from the 1800s. There used to be 4 of these on the frame, but several are broken. This one is in pretty good shape, so the plan is to scan it with our Creaform HandyScan Black Elite and print it on our Formlabs Form 3. This should give us a near exact replica that we can then paint to resemble the wood of the frame. I'll just be going through the VxScan small part guided workflow. The first few steps it takes us through are setup and then calibration. This screen allows me to name the scan and define what resolution I want to scan at. A lower number means better quality, but also larger file size and usually longer scan times to fill in small gaps. This has some rather fine details, so I'll drop it down to 0.1. This calibration here has a scan up plate that it knows has scan markers in certain places. By using these, it can figure out exactly where it is and where it's looking. It has you do several movements to get better calibration, matching up the crosshairs. Once that's completed, we move on to the next step, which helps us get optimal saturation by adjusting shutter speed. You want to increase or decrease the shutter speed until the object you're scanning gives a nice yellow signature like seen here. Clicking next a few times, what you'll want to do is scan the empty area around where you'll place the object to give it a clipping plane or an area for it to ignore. After that, we basically just place the object and start scanning until we get an image that looks realistic. Majority of it will capture rather quickly, but the fine details may take some more time and effort. You can see I switched to single laser mode to try and pick out some of the finer spots. Once this looks good, we hit next and switch to scanning the back side of the part with the same methods, but I won't show that just for the sake of time. After that side was done, we did some manual alignment of the 2 scans to merge them together. There's still a bit more to do to get this to a principal point, but we'll pick back up with that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Contact me with any questions and I'll see you tomorrow.